Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will try to show you how to create Azure Machine Learning Workspace using Azure Azure DevOps pipelines. So automating this process is critical for maintaining consistent infrastructure in your machine learning project. And let's jump to it. So last time I showed you how to create workspace, a resource group with pipeline, and you can see I will just continue with this. I don't need to create a new pipeline. So what I can do is just added the new, let's say, the new stuff here. So let me just recap and what you have to do if you only starting from here. But I just recommend you to see the how I created a resource group using the pipeline. So but as a recap, let me just go to the project settings. As you can see here, project settings, and you can see here we need the service connection. So this service connection, it will connect Azure DevOps with Microsoft Azure with this dashboard here. The services. So last time I have created this Azure connection demo, and you can see it's, let's just edit. Without any editing, it's belong to a resource group CLI. Let me just check if it's still there and it's not deleted. Yes, it's here. Now I will just cancel. I don't need to create a new one, but let's say you create another one. Oh, we can do it. Why not? Let's go here, create a new service connection, and you have to select this as a resource group. Next, you need to select the service principal automatic. Then the subscriptions will be retrieved. You have to access your account. So after that, yeah, right. So as you can see here, this is my subscription, and I will select now resource group demo 01, and I will call this service Azure Surface Demo. And important, this you have to check this grant access permission for all pipelines. So if you have many pipelines, so this connection is enough for all pipelines. You don't need to create extra services, and it's only for you a demo. Let's see, because I already have here, but just let's continue. I will create this, and now click save. Take a while for setup. And we can see now in a minute. Yeah, and also, by the way, you will be able only to create this services if you have a permission. And this is our connection, service connection. And first, let me close this one. And first, go to this direct link. Go here and see the display name. This is your name, and you can just copy it from here. Copy, then close this. And now you need to add uh, a role, let's say a permission for this connection to create a resource group, creating workspace, anything. So you just give the permission for this Azure pipeline to make this stuff for you. And for that, we need to go to the either to resource group. Let me just add it here. You have to go click add role assignment. Now go to the privileged administrator roles, and you can click contributor. Now click next, and select this user group or service principal. Select the user, and if you remember, I copy this name here. I copied this name from this link. So I just this name here. You need to copy this and put it in this select members, and I will just select this one. So now this service or this pipeline is have the privilege or permission to create resource groups. I have adding fail as a contributor for this already exists. When okay, let's be back to here. Go to the subscription. Let's try to add it here. Access control, and let's be role assignment. I will add a new one here. Privilege contributor. Next, add member. Demo application. Select assign. Strange. Okay, now this is the contributor, and you can see this is for the old connection, service connection, and this is for the new one. Now let me go back to the Azure stuff. So this is our pipeline now, and so I have the permission to create and update. And okay, no, go back and click edit, and in here we need another CLI command. CLI. Okay, there's another issue. It's not an issue, but as you can see here, this is the install, and I have the connection here, resource manager or service connection. I have to use this, and in this one here, I have to use on all of these. I have to use the same Azure connection or manager. So for that, I will just use this. But if see we can't see our the new one, we have to click here, refresh, and you can see it here. But as I said, we have to use all of these. I mean, to keep it similar in all CLI. And I will select here PowerShell, and in line I will just paste this the code here, not this one. And back to the pipeline, paste the code here, and you can see here AZML workspace create. This is the name of your workspace. So I will call this, what was the name of the old one, just to make it constant. Okay, resource group. I'll call this resource group CLI. And our resource group, we can either use the right name, the name from here, resource group demo, or last time I have created a variable here, and you can see resource group. I can just use this as a parameter if you need to hide something. And let me just remove these, and I need to use this resource group for the location as well. I will try to remove this, and let's hit Q and run. I will just disable this because the pipeline is already this installed several times, so it just took time. So I will go to the agent, because agent is not running in my PC. I will have to run this. I also uploaded a video how to create a local agent. So I will just click run, and we are waiting to check the capabilities. So this is our pipeline build agent. So now if I click save and queue, it will be run in the pipeline in the build agent. And for now you can see here some, yeah, this is starting running job agent job 1, and this will take, let's see, I don't know, maybe a few minutes, but I will try to pause this video and come back to you once it's running. I mean, it's finished. And if there's any issue, I will of course show you and how to solve it as well. I think let's just wait. So the creating these resources or services or components, I will say it's more important to do it in via pipelines, because you need to make all of this automated. So no one, I mean, instead of having this going to the resource to the Azure website and create a machine learning or workspace manually, this is not, let's see, a best practice. Now we have this error. The client. So as I said, you can just copy this. Let's see, copy this and go to the Azure, and we can just put it here. Sometimes you can find it, sometimes not. No. Where's the pipeline? The client, blah blah blah. Let's copy this and try to add a permission for that. Go to the subscription, use subscription control access, and resource privilege contributor. Now let me see if it's already here. I can find it. Yes, I can find it, but let me just show you how to find this number here. Ways to find it. So if you go to pipelines, let me just click project settings, surface connections, and I think demo app registering. Let me just see if this is the right ID. You can see here DA 7, DA 7, DA 7, and the last cover it has 816 A1C 81C. Yeah, this one here. So we just need to add this, and you can see when I copied this, it showed me this ID, this so this name, and you can see here. So I just put the full name, access. Hopefully you should be able to create this. If not, we have to find it. Okay, it works. Let me rerun the pipeline again and see if this audio solved. I mean, most of the issues will be during the pipelines, but it's critical. Let's see if you would like to use it in the more important to use it in your project. So now let me see, create resource group. Sometimes when I create some resources, I have I have delete all of these, I mean, after the demo, and that's why sometimes I got some issues. But I'm showing you also how to solve this. Let's us hope now. Okay, perfect. It's working. Uh-huh. But indeed, it's worth to learn this to do it with Adobe DevOps. Okay, now we have our error. Perfect. It's not showing the error. What is this? Do I have to install this? Yeah, I was thinking it's already installed, so I didn't need it. But let me just see it. Create demo. For that, I know for the install MLI extension, it will take time. So I'll try to pause and show you the result. Of course, if there's any other error, I will try also to show you. Then see you in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see here, all processes or commands are successfully created. I haven't seen any error after fixing the permission or adding a contributor role. And I think for this, I mean also the pipeline not only with Classic, you can also build it with the YAML file. Now, automating Azure machine learning workspace creation ensure, let's say, as I said, consistency and also saves time. So instead of creating manually with from here, you can just add, let's say, create a pipeline. This can do it for you. So if you found this video helpful, give give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.